guys, it's Manate. I'm here with Jasmine today. We at our property. We just got told from our builder that our slab work was inspected and approved by the West Side surveyors. We're really happy for it, so we finally thought we'd pay a visit today. As you can see, it's a waffle pod slab. The house we are building on this is a 26 square house. It's a good structure. Basically, it's a P class slab where the underneath of the soil was really clay, so needed a good structure base. So waffle pods are used basically for those kind of soil reports when we get, which is a P class specification. Having said that, I'll show you a few points. I don't know much about it, but because I'm building my first house, I decided to do some research, and I've got a few of my contacts being into the construction industry. They helped me a lot. So as we can see from the first part, this is the part of the, as we can see, Jasmine, if you can pull it over, this is the front part of the garage. As we can see towards the corner, this is the boundary for the slab in the house, for the garage. It's a beams running along. For that beams, the steel they have used, which is, as you can see my finger there, it's an SL92, which is a really good steel, which have been used by our constructors. Then running along all the way, as we can see the gap between these waffle pods, guys, they have got another steel structure running all the way parallel. These are called parallel beams that will run all the way from distance, which have been specified with the engineers. Now coming to the point, I did some search, and obviously we have been given everything from our builders. We've got those steel structures done at the front of the house because it's a beam structure. We had a flow from where the land was a bit high and a bit low from the front. So just to keep that in mind, they have got a 600 mil thick beam slab at the front. As we can see with the structure there, man, I'm really happy with that. Looks perfectly alright to me. I'm pretty sure that it's been inspected and confirmed and fully approved. So I'm pretty sure everything must have been done according to the rules and regulation, according to the building industry. You can see the plumbing was done before this stage. The pipes are running along. So, and they're using a 25 MPa slab, which is a quite stronger. I mean, it's a really good concrete, and it will reach its strength within 28 days. Yeah, I think that's about it for people who are building their new houses. I'd recommend them to just go on Google, YouTube, look for the slab works to gain some more knowledge, as I had no knowledge. I mean, I only knew what sort of slabs and what different slabs can be used for different specification. But down the track, obviously, if I look into the specifications of the next stage for our building is after the slab is framing. Although we've been given all the paperwork from the builder, what are the specification, how they're going to do the framing. So each stages we are getting along and progressing every day. Yeah, eventually I'm pretty sure by the end of this whole journey, I will have a lot of knowledge. Anytime if you have any questions, guys, if you're not sure of anything, Jasmine will put this one onto the page. Just ask a question. We'll try to work out, see if we can help you out somehow, and it'll be our pleasure. Thank you. Bye.